Hi, if you are tired of bulky extension cords or overpriced surge protectors, you are going to love this. Welcome to the review video of Olcorife Ultra Thin Flat Plug Power Strip. And honestly, it might be the best power strip finds only for $30 right now. Okay, but is it actually worth buying? Let's break it down. This is only for $13 and this is an Amazon's Choice product. 10k plus people bought in the past month, so I can say you can trust this. In this overall review, I will show you a short overview, key features, honest video and honest customer reactions of this Olcorife flat plug. Let's check the key features. 0.27 in ultra thin flat plug, 9-in-1 USB power C strip, compact for travel, overload protection, wall mount power strip. Let's check more details from here. See features and specifications. Number of outlets are 6, voltage 125 volts capable, lightweight it is, USB ports 3, maximum current 15 ampere maybe. Then power plug type is type B in 3 pin, then plug type is type B. Number of ports 9, compatible devices, most devices with a type B plug. Ampere is 10 AA, color is white, flat is shape, and you can check additional details from here. See, this is a acrylonitrile butadiene styrene product. Material is this. You can get 3-day return guarantee with this product. Then check item details. 2-year manufacturer warranty. You will get unit count is 9 count. 23 in electronics and best selling in power strips number 3. See, this is a top 3 best selling power strips. Measurements and the user guide is here. Recommended uses for product is travel. Let's check a short overview with its outlook is look like this. See, 1 2 3 4 5 6. You will get. Then see, ultra thin flat plug. This is the Olcorife ultra thin flat plug extension cord, and this is the others extension cord. See, this is only 0.27 inch, so flat, you can use it anywhere, and others are 2.27 inch normally. Then check 9-in-1, 6 outlets, 2 USB A and 1 USB C port you will get from here. Then space saving design hidden behind furniture. You can hide it to your furniture easily because it is a flat plug. It has a flat plug and space saving design. See, then wall mountable design, you can hang it on your wall also. Overload protection. See, then blocked and non-blocked look, it will look like this. So this is the short outlook of this. Let's check more. You can check the real using videos from here. See, a lot of videos here. Then let's check the customer reaction. 86% people rate as 5-star and 4.7 out of 5. Okay, check the real pictures from here. They are the real buyers. Let's check the honest customer reactions. Perfect low profile power strip for tight spaces. Slim design with plenty of outlets. Good quality, works great. Easy to plug behind furniture. It's been reliable and convenient. Then good item. Excellent product, like the flexibility in input options. Nice and flat. Check more reviews. Great size, not for heating devices but definitely works to protect. convenient charging hub for everyday devices, helped up to lots of foot traffic, aesthetically pleasing to the eye, perfect for behind a bed, nice and compact, and like you can charge your phone without having to get the adapter. Great bang for your buck. Best extension cord I have ever bought. Behind dresser extension cord. Nice and workable. Great design. Perfect. Behind cabinet, perfect. Small but powerful. The size works when you don't want a power surge. Great minimal design. Useful, durable. Useful. It protects, but it could be better. Works as intended. Good value, has everything. So there is no negative reviews at all. See? There are a lot of stars people are giving to this extension cord. Okay. So after this overall review, what do you think? Is it worth buying? I must say yes. If you want a cheap, reliable, space-saving power strip, this will be a good deal for you. For only this $13, it delivers excellent value, especially with USB ports and surge protection included. It's not that much premium, but for everyday use, it gets the job done really well. Okay. If you are looking for a compact surge protector with USB for only $13, this might just be your budget king. You can get direct access from my description box. This is only for $13 again, and check my description box to get direct access to this extension cord. Subscribe my YouTube channel and let me know in the comment section what type of product reviews you want to see from me. Thanks for staying. Bye.